Right. Good afternoon, everyone. What is the last concept? Test scenarios, right? Okay. Online students, as if the screen is visible. Online students can respond in the chat window. All the online students can respond in the chat window. Right. Open your requirement documents. Let's continue on that. Search hotel, right? Search hotel is done, right? Date format. Okay. Let's take into the next module. Let's take this page number 6. Take the select hotel. Okay. Now, let's see that. So what is the main functionality here? Right. So what is the main functionality? Taking with select hotel. Now we can see that. Let's continue on this. Right. TS 036. Requirement number 3.4. Requirement number is 3.4. Okay. So this particular one taking with search hotel. Right. Select hotel. Okay. Right. What is the main functionality? Verify continue button functionality. We can write it, or else which we can mention that verify select hotel functionality. We can mention that verify continue button functionality, or we can mention that verify select hotel functionality. Okay. Then taking with SRS. Okay. Now you can see that TS 037. Requirement number 3.4. So this 3.4 is related to select a hotel. What is the next functionality? What is it? Cancel button, which need to be get taken care with cancel button. We need to be get mentioning that verify cancel button functionality. Okay. That will be taking with SRS. TS 038. Okay. Requirement number 3.4. 3.4 is related to 3.4 is related to select hotel. Okay. What is the next functionality? What is the next one? Radio button. Okay. Which need to be get mentioning that verify radio button functionality. verify radio button functionality. Okay. Considering the SRS. Okay. Done. Next, TS039 requirement number 3.4. 3.4 is related to select hotel. Okay. That particular one. What is the next functionality? Verify column names. So all these things we can consider as a column names need to be get considering that verify column names. Verify column names. Okay. So need to be get considering that verify column names in select total page. This is also need to be get continued in select total page. Okay. After that, this is need to be get mentioning about select hotel. Select hotel page. Okay. Considering that SRS TS040. Okay. Requirement number 3.4. This requirement number 3.4 considering that select hotel. Okay. Now we can see that. Considering that mentioning about taking with next functionality. What is the next one? This whole thing, what you can consider? Can we consider as a table data? We can consider as a table data. Need to be get mentioning that this data has been displayed or not. So we can mention that verify table data in select total page. Verify table data in select total page. Okay. And then TS041 requirement number 3.4. 3.4 is related to select total. This particular select total, so need to be get considering that. So you can see that this particular one, we got table data. We need to get verify this particular data has been displayed or not. Okay. But this particular data, if we get look into this particular one, this is the column name. What is the first column name? Select. What is the second column name? Hotel name. Under this hotel name, what it has been displayed? Name of the hotels. Under location, it has been displayed with location. I mean, whenever you are taking with the data, the one you need to be get consider. The one you need to be get considering that taking with the column name. These particular column name, if we consider this particular one, these particular whatever the column name is there, under that column, that particular data has been displayed or not. Sometime chances are there under the hotel name, it can be displayed location, or under the location, it can be displayed room name, whatever it can be. So need to be get test that particular part also. The one it will be considered. The one need to be get considering that verify table data, and then mentioning about saying that this particular one verify table data need to be get mentioning that taking with verify table data based on column names here. Verify table data based on column names in select total page. Whatever the column names are there, according to that particular column names, According to that particular column names, data has been displayed or not need to be tested. That is what we will be considering this particular column names. And this we will consider SRS. Okay. And after that, TS 042. This requirement number 3.4. 3.4 is related to 3.4 is related to select hotel. This 3.4 is related to select hotel. Okay. So now you can see here, considering that, taking with the next functionality. What is the next one? Taking with heading. What is the heading we got? Select hotel. Need to be get considering that heading. Verify heading in select hotel page. Verify heading in select hotel page. Okay. See the heading here. What is the heading we got? What is the heading we got? Select hotel. So the heading we got select hotel. Okay, done. And then TS 043. Okay. Still any other things we can test it? What is it? Links. What are the links we got? Search hotel, booked itinerary, change password, logout. If we look into previous page and this page, is there any difference on the links? Any difference? No difference here. As there is no difference, as both the things are same. As both the things are same, you can get added in that scenario. As both the links are same, you can get added in the same scenario. Otherwise, as it is a different page, you can write as a different scenario also based on your comfortable. If you are comfortable in writing the different scenarios, that you will be mentioning the different scenarios. In case of taking with, having with the one, you can consider 3.3 mentioning the 3.4. Search hotel and then considering the select hotel. In both the pages, the same links need to be verified, considering the search hotel page and then taking with select hotel page. Okay. So this is what we will be considering that. This is what we will be considering that taking with, we can combine together. Otherwise we can write different scenario based on your comfortable. So that we will be taking with links. What is the next one? Welcome text. That is also same as previous page or different? Same as previous page or different? Same or different? Same. As it is same, you can combine there itself. Otherwise, you can write with the one more functionality. Doesn't make any problem. See the whole things here. We done with continue button. Done? Right. After that, cancel is done. Table data based on column names. And then taking with column names and then taking with heading. Welcome text already done. Hello text also already done. Links are already done. Logo we are already mentioned. Header is done. Footer is done. Just move on to next page. Just go to this page number 7. Page number 7. Okay, right. So this particular page number 7, taking with 3.5. 3.5 is related to? 3.5 is related to Bouquet Hotel. 3.5 is related to Bouquet Hotel. Okay. Now we can see here. Considering that this particular one, this 3.5 is related to Bouquet Hotel. Okay. Now we can see here. Considering that This particular one, taking with the main functionality. What is the main functionality here? What is it? Book now. Okay. You can mention that verify book now functionality. That is one functionality. We can mention that verify book now functionality. That is particular one. Otherwise, we can mention that verify book a hotel functionality. Verify book a hotel functionality. We can mention that verify book a hotel functionality or verify book now functionality. So that we can write taking the document name. What is the document name? What is it? SRS. Okay, done. TS 044. Requirement number 3.5. 3.5 is related to 3.5 is related to bouquet hotel. Okay, right. Now we can see here. What is the next functionality? What is it? Cancel button. Mentioning that verify cancel button functionality. Verify cancel button functionality. Verify cancel button functionality in bouquet hotel page. Verify cancel button functionality in bouquet hotel page. Okay. Considering that SRS. Okay. Next. TS 045. Requirement number 3.5. 3.5 is related to 3.5 is related to bouquet hotel. Okay. What is the next functionality? What is it? What are the text boxes? Hotel name, location. Okay. These are considered as text boxes. Okay. This is considered as mandatory text box. Okay, very perfect here. Okay. Now, this is text box. Big text box. Comment box. Very perfect. Online students. Okay. This particular one, what we will consider? Then is there any, this is a text box, these are text boxes. Is there any difference in that? What is the difference? Okay, this is white color, that is gray color. Too much developers, guys. Really developers only. Predefined. User defined. This is predefined text boxes. This is user very. Predefined text boxes, user defined text boxes still. Yeah. These are considered read-only text boxes. What is that? Not predefined text boxes, gray text box, all your developer talent. This is considered as a read-only. So read-only means we cannot enter with the data. Just we can read it considering that read-only text boxes. See the terminology. This is considered as read-only text boxes. This is considered as text boxes. And this is considering as a text area box. Not like all are same. Not like all are same. Everything is a different. Read only text boxes. You cannot enter the data. Text boxes. You can enter the data in one line. Text area. You can enter the data in more than one line here. So that is what will make the difference. Not like all the things are same. There is no way of connectivity. Not like all the things are same. So these are considering that read only. This is considered as a text box and this is considering as a text area box. Okay, done. Now you can see here. Need to be get mentioning that, which will be mentioning that taking with this particular page. So taking with this particular page need to be get considering that. The very first one mentioning that verify. Verify read only text boxes. Verify read only text boxes in bouquet hotel page. Verify read only text boxes in bouquet hotel page. Okay. Considering that taking with TS 046 requirement number 3.5. 3.5 is related to bouquet hotel. 3.5 is related to bouquet hotel. Okay, done. So now, what is the next one? Verify text boxes. Okay. So before going to that, this is we mentioned that read only text boxes. Read only means we are already getting the data. From where we are getting this data? Database, very perfect. HTML code. Think like testers, guys, not developers. What is your previous page? What is it? Select hotel. Selecting the hotel here. Whatever the hotel you have been selected, that particular hotel, it has been displayed. Database, your HTML, according to developer, 100% okay. But we are tester, we are not worried. Java, Bava, Python, Python. We doesn't require all those things. We never worried about your coding. I know your talents. We never worried about your coding. Always tester thinking about functionality. What you written, internal logic, day and night, whatever the code you written, we never worried about on that. As a tester, that functionality working or not. That is what we are testing here. Considering that we are getting with the data. From where we are getting this data? From select hotel page. In the select hotel page, you are selecting the required hotel. Whatever the hotel you have been selected, the same hotel it has been displaying or not. The same data has been displayed or not need to be tested. So that is also we need to write it. So that we need to be get mentioning that, which we will be considering that, saying that verify read only, verify data in read only text boxes. Verify data in read only text boxes. Verify data in read only text boxes on bouquet hotel page. On bouquet hotel page, considering that SRS TS 047 requirement number 3.5. 3.5 is related to 3.5 is related to bouquet hotel. Okay. What is the next one? What is it? Text boxes. We need to be get considering that text boxes. Okay. Let's see that. Need to be get considering that text boxes. You need to be get mentioning that verify text boxes. Verify text boxes in bouquet hotel page. Verify text boxes in bouquet hotel page. Considering that SRS. Okay. TS 048. Requirement number 3.5. 3.5 is related to 3.5 is related to bouquet hotel. Okay, done. Now we can see that this particular one, taking with the next one. What is the next one? Verify text area box. Need to be get mentioning that. Verify text area. Verify text area box. Verify text area box in. Verify text area box in bouquet hotel page. Verify text area box in a bouquet hotel page. Okay. What is the functionality of text area box? What is the functionality? To enter the data in more than one line. In case of the text boxes accepted in one line, text area box accepted in more than one line. Okay, done. TS 049. Okay. Requirement number 3.5. 3.5 is related to bouquet hotel. Okay. What is the next one? What is it? Drop down. So these are considering as a drop down. Okay. Need to be get mentioning that verify drop down functionality. Verify drop down functionality in. Verify drop down functionality in bouquet hotel page. Verify drop down functionality in bouquet hotel page. That will be considering that SRS. Taking with TS 050 and then taking with requirement number 3.5. So 3.5 is related to 3.5 is related to bouquet hotel. Okay, right. So now taking with the next functionality. What is the next one? Drop down values need to be get consider drop down values. Verify drop down values. Verify drop down values in bouquet hotel page. Verify drop down values in a bouquet hotel page considering that SRS and then TS 051. Requirement number 3.5. 3.5 is related to 3.5 is related to bouquet hotel. Okay, done. Now we can see here. What is the next functionality? All these particular one. What you can consider? Labels. We can consider as a labels here. So which need to be get right that particular labels. Right. See that. So what is the next functionality? Verify labels. Verify labels in bouquet hotel page. What is the document name? SRS. Okay, done. Next, TS 052. Requirement number 3.5. 3.5 is related to 3.5 is related to bouquet hotel. What is the next functionality? What is it? Mandatory fields. Okay. Need to be get mentioning that verify mandatory fields. Verify mandatory fields. Verify mandatory fields in bouquet hotel page. Verify mandatory fields in a bouquet hotel page. Okay, done. TS 053. Requirement number 3.5. 3.5 is related to 3.5 is related to bouquet hotel. Okay. What is the next functionality? Heading. Okay. Before taking into the heading, any other things? Back button. So we got back button. We can write it. Let me consider these two. The one you will be taking with back and one you will be taking with bouquet hotel. Let's see here. Verify heading. Verify heading in a bouquet hotel page. Verify heading in bouquet hotel page. What is the heading we got? What is the heading we got? Bouquet hotel. So the heading we got bouquet hotel. Okay, done. Considering that TS 054 requirement number 3.5. 3.5 is related to bouquet hotel. Still any other things? Link. Backlink we can consider. We can considering with the link verify. Verify backlink. Verify backlink in bouquet hotel page. Verify backlink in bouquet hotel page. That you will be taking with SRS. Okay, done. Next. TS 055. Requirement number 3.5. 3.5 is related to 3.5 is related to bouquet hotel. 3.5 is related to bouquet hotel. Okay. So and then you will be considering that taking with the next functionality. What is the next functionality? Links. Is there any difference on the links? For the previous page, is there any difference? No. You can just add it. Hello text, is there any difference? No. That you can get added. Welcome text, it can be added. Next. What is it? So this particular one, what you can consider? Date format. Credit card number format. So that is which is considering that credit card number format need to be tested that. We need to be tested that we will be mentioning about verify credit card number. Verify credit card number format. Verify credit card number format. Considering the SRS. Verify credit card number format that will be considered SRS. Okay. Next. TS 056. Requirement number 3.5. 3.5 is related to bouquet hotel. Still anything we can test it? Any other things? What is that? What is that particular one? Final build price. I mean, we are taking with the booking. While taking with the booking, we are taking with the confirmation. So at the time of taking with the confirmation, so we need to be tested whether this amount has been calculated correctly or not. Need to be get taking care about price calculation. We need to be get mentioning that verify price calculation, or I can mention that verify final build price amount. Verify final build price. We can mention the verify final build price amount here. Okay. So that we will be mentioning about considering that SRS. Okay. Next we will be mentioning TS 057. Requirement number 3.6. So this almost all the things we have been done in this particular 3.5. All the things has been covered. Next move on to 3.7. Go to this page number 8. 3.6. Okay. Go to this page number 8. So considering the 3.6. Considering with 3.6. Okay. This particular 3.6. Page name? Page name. That page name we got order generation. You can consider that order generation or you can consider in the booking confirmation. Based on your comfortable, you can mention the order generation. What is the main functionality? What is the main functionality? Search hotel. What is the main functionality for this page? What is it? Order generation. We need to be get confirmed that we need to be get confirmed that we need to be get considering that taking with order generation. Order need to be get we need to be get able to see that order number need to be generated. Okay. So this is what main functionality. Now we can see here mentioning that verify order number, verify order number creation, verify order number creation. That particular order number has been generated or not. That particular order number has been generated or not. Need to be get considering that taking with verify order number creation. Okay. Now we can see here. TS 058. Requirement number 3.6. 3.6 is related to 3.6 is related to order generation. 3.6 is related to order generation. What is the next functionality? After order number, what is the next functionality? As usual, what is it? Search hotel. Need to be get considering the search hotel. We need to be get mentioning the verify search hotel button. Verify search hotel button functionality in order generation page. In order generation page. We need to be get taking care about verify search hotel button functionality in order generation page. Considering that SRS. Taking with TS 059. Requirement number 3.6. 3.6 is related to 3.6 is related to order generation. Okay. Now we can see here. So what is the next functionality? What is the next functionality? My itinerary. The next functionality, my itinerary. Verify my itinerary button functionality in order generation page. In order generation page. Considering that SRS. Need to be get providing SRS. Okay. Next. TS 060. Requirement number 3.6. 3.6 is related to 3.6 is related to order generation. Okay. Then taking with the next one. What is the next functionality? What is it? Logout. Need to be get mentioning the verify. Logout functionality. Verify. Logout functionality in search hotel page. Verify. Sorry. Logout button functionality in order generation page. Order generation page. Okay. What is the document name? What is the document name? SRS. Okay. Next. TS0. TS0. 61. Requirement number 3.6. 3.6 is related to 3.6 is related to order generation. What is the next functionality? What is it? Read only text boxes. Right. So all these things we need to be get considering that. So all these are considering that read only text boxes. Okay. See that. Verify, read only text boxes. Verify, read only text boxes in order generation page. In order generation page. What is the document name we got? What is the document name we got? SRS. Okay, done. Next, TS062. Requirement number? Requirement number 3.6. The 3.6 is related to? 3.6 is related to order generation. Okay, what is the next one? One is read only text boxes. Apart from that, before going to that, related to this, one more we can write. Data in read only text boxes. The one we are considering that read only text boxes displayed or not. So the one we will be mentioning that verify data in read only text boxes on bouquet hotel page. This is not bouquet hotel page. What is it? Order generation page. Okay, right. So now I will be mentioning about taking that. Okay. Yeah, just 1 minute, guys. Okay. Now we can see that verify data in read only text boxes in order generation page. What is the document name? SRS. Okay, done. Take what? TS063. Requirement number 3.6. 3.6 is related to? 3.6 is related to order generation. Okay. Now we can see that. Taking with next functionality. What is the next one? What is the next one? Text box. Read only text area. No concept of read only text area. As simple as, even though it is text area box only, but not like again mentioning that read only text area. As simple as we will be considering that read only text boxes. Everything will be considered as a read only. So again, not required to write mention that read only text area box. Okay, right. Next, labels. So all these things are considered as a labels here, which need to be get considering that taking with that particular one, that you will be taking with labels here. Okay. We need to be get mentioning about taking with labels here. So verify labels. Verify labels in order generation page. Verify labels in order generation page. Taking with SRS. Okay. Next. TS 064. Requirement number 3.6. 3.6 is related to 3.6 is related to order generation. Okay, done. Now I can see. What is the next one? What is it? Heading. Taking with heading. Need to be get mentioning that verify heading. Verify heading in order generation page. What is the heading we got? Booking confirmation. Taking with the heading, considering that booking confirmation. Okay. TS 065. Requirement number 3.6. 3.6 is related to order generation. Still any other things? Order number we are already done, right? Verify order number generation. Final price, basically in the previous page we are already verified. As we verified it, confirm it, we are doing the payment. After done with the payment, again not like mandatory that need to verify. In general, before doing the payment we will cross check. After done with the payment, again not like meaning of verifying it. If required we can write, otherwise we can ignore it. Okay. Still, apart from that, what is it? Dates, all these are read only, right? Did we done read only data? Okay. You can cross check that. Order number, search hotel, my itinerary, log out. Labels, read only text boxes, data in read only text boxes. Welcome text already there, and then considering that hello text already there, links has been already there. Okay. Footer also we are already done. Header also we are already done. Logo also it has been done. Let's take with 3.7. 3.7 is related to 3.7 is related to booked itinerary. Okay. Taking with 3.7. This 3.7 is related to 3.7 is related to booked itinerary here. Okay. So what is the functionality in that? What is the functionality? What is the main functionality here? Verify? Verify booked itinerary functionality. Verify search order ID. So the main functionality of this is once you done with the booking, previously it has been done. Previously it has been done. Which you will be taking with. I can see here. Previously it has been done. So which you are already done with the payment. So which need to be get mentioning about taking with the payment, that will be done with the payment. Booking has been already confirmed. So that booking has been already confirmed. So we need to be get cross check that whether it has been confirmed or not. So now we can see here. For that you are taking with search order ID. So once order ID number has been generated, once that search order ID number has been generated, taking that order number and confirming that whether it has been done correctly or not. So considering that, verify search order ID, verify search order ID functionality, verify search order ID functionality. Okay, next. TS066, requirement number 3.7. 3.7 is related to booked itinerary. What is the next one? Is it go button? We can consider that mentioning that verify go button functionality. Verify go button functionality. Okay. Verify go button functionality in booked itinerary page. Considering that SRS. Okay. Taking with TS067. So this requirement number 3.7 is related to 3.7 is related to booked itinerary. Okay. Now you can see that. What is the next functionality? What is it? This particular one, I will consider checkbox or radio button. Checkbox or radio button. What is the difference? Not round and circle, guys. Round and circle is different. Functionality is checkbox is multi-selection. Radio button is single selection. In the interview, don't say that is round color. This is square box here. Say that. Considering that, verify checkbox functionality. Verify checkbox functionality. Okay. So verify checkbox functionality in booked itinerary page. Verify checkbox functionality in booked itinerary page. Considering that, taking with SRS. Okay, done. Next, TS068. Okay. Requirement number 3.7. 3.7 is related to booked itinerary. Okay. Now we can see here. So considering that, taking with the next functionality. Cancel button. So the main thing, cancel button, we need to get look into that. Considering that, verify cancel button functionality. Verify cancel button functionality in booked itinerary page. In booked itinerary page. Considering that, document is SRS. Okay. After that, TS069, requirement number 3.7. Remaining all the things you guys can continue. Column names, table data based on columns, all those things you can continue. Move on to the fourth page. Requirement number 4. Go to this page number 9. Page number 9. Page number 9. What is the first point? Page number 9. What is the first point? User must have a valid user ID and password here. Okay. So this is related to verifying with login functionality that we are already written. Taking with the wrong password for thrice. Meaning of thrice? Meaning of thrice? Invalid. Say, sorry, 3 times. The 3 times enter with the wrong password. What will be the output? What is output? Account should be logged. So for that we need to be write it. Let me consider 4 and then taking with login page, because password is related to login page. Considering that, verify password, that password is verify invalid password functionality for 3 times. Verify invalid password functionality for 3 times here. Okay, now we can see here. Considering that TS 0, 70. Now considering that, still any other things we can write? Search hotel, after that required fields, search button, all these things are done. Selecting the required option, continue button, order ID generated, booking confirmation, cancel. All these things are done. Remaining things not required. Apart from that, you guys can think about in writing some more functionality related to application. Previously, we written some functionality related to the application. What are the functionalities we written? Logo, header, footer. Apart from this, you can write some more. You guys can think about on it in a similar way. You can see that. Considering that, verify URL. Verify URL functionality for whole application. Verify URL functionality for whole application. TS 0, 71. Considering that application. Mentioning that. Verify. Taking with alignment. Verify alignment. Verify alignment for whole application. Verify alignment for whole application. Okay. And then consider TS 0, 72. And then considering that application need to be get mentioning about taking with verify color for whole application. Considering that SRS TS 0, 73. Considering that verify. Still verify keyboard actions. Verify keyboard actions. Meaning of this? Keyboard actions. You are pressing the tab, clicking on enter button. So these things also need to be working. Verify keyboard action for whole application. Okay. Considering that SRS. And then mentioning about 0, 74. Taking with verify. Mentioning about taking with spell mistakes. Verify spell mistakes for whole application. That will be taking with SRS. TS 0, 75. Considering that verify session timeout. Meaning of session timeout? Doing with the logout. I mean, once you've done with the login, if you are not performing any of the activities, it has to take the logout. Considering that, verify session timeout for whole application. Considering that SRS. So this is what you guys need to be get continued. See that you guys can add it with the some more scenarios. So by tomorrow, if you complete all these scenarios, from tomorrow, we'll start with the very most important concept. What is it? Not automation testing. Still manual is there. Manual is not done. Testing cases. Testing cases are the very most important concept that we have to do. That will take tomorrow. To write test cases, what we require? Scenarios has been required. Because of that, take with the practice on that. So tomorrow I'll be taking care about completing this particular test cases. We'll start according to this. You guys can think about on it. Okay. Yeah. So complete writing all the scenarios. Clear? Carry on. Thank you.